was very controversial, and we had gone to Liverpool at that point where I told you earlier, because there was a doctor in Liverpool who was using the Medical Act of 1858, which really said that a doctor in England can use anything in the pharmacopoeia as treatment, and if it's deemed to be unethical for any reason, he can only be drawn up against a panel of his own peers. And England had done that when they saw what was happening with the opium wars in the United States, where doctors were being put in jail by lay people, non-medical people. So this doctor then decided that heroin had run amok so bad in Liverpool and the crime was so terrible. His clinic was right next door in the town called Widnes. He ended up prescribing pharmaceutical heroin to his patients. Now, the thing is, it's not all that sexy, all right, because you have to then be completely clinicalized. You have to have examinations. You have to subject yourself to therapies and group therapies and really be clinicalized. And what that meant was that it destroyed the entire pyramid of sales, right? So no longer was it required for someone to sell heroin to support their own habit. The use of heroin in town went crashing down. Crime was at a hugely reduced rate. He was tremendously successful. And this, a few years after my story, they shut him down.